heavy. Good horn growth. Just doesn't fork. Now should we go up and see what else we can stumble upon? Scouting season was going great. We found some nice bucks. Horn growth was awesome this year. My buddies Brayden and Jeb found this incredible buck. They hunted him during the archery hunt and unfortunately wasn't able to harvest him during the archery hunt. With the rifle hunt coming up, we're excited to try and get a crack at him. Well, opening morning of me and my dad's general deer hunt. Just leaving the hotel. It's 4:53 right now. Got about a 30-minute drive to get where I need to be, and it's probably about a hour and a half, hour 45 hike, I'm hoping. Get up in a place at sniper's position where hopefully I can see a bunch of deer that people push up to me. So I drew a special tag. I can hunt the general season then all the way to November 30th. So got super lucky. I think my odds were lower than 1%. So feel very fortunate to have this tag right now. So we're gonna be really picky. Hopefully the goal is to help my dad kill a buck this hunt. So he has about 2 weeks to do it. So, well, about a week and a half. But yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, we're here in Idaho. It's opening day of rifle season. Dad's got a tag and Jake's got a tag. Jake's in another spot. He's chasing a specific buck this morning, and me and Dad are gonna go up and see what we can find. Right, Dad?
Yeah, it's opening day. Pretty exciting.
There's nothing like opening day on the rifle hunt. A lot of booming, a lot of people, a lot of running around, but it'll be fun.
Yeah. We are here. Is that killing?
Well, I mean, he's a nice buck. Are you gonna shoot him or no?
I'm still debating. I got him now. Let's go.
Okay, he's walking through. I think if you're gonna...
No, he's so narrow.
Well, opening day was a wrap. Super exciting. Watched my #1 buck get killed by another hunter, which isn't too exciting, kind of a bummer, but sometimes that's just how it goes. Hopefully we can turn up another one. Dream buck, just trash, good frame. He has it all. So I got a month and a half, so it's a bummer, but we got some time. Hopefully we can turn up another one. So I got a couple good buddies and family that will come out and help me, and we'll hopefully turn up something good. So yep, opening morning, super exciting. Just hiking down this ravine and boom, sweet. Oh, not a bad little buck. I'll take that. Sweet.
Well, this morning we were after a specific buck. Our buddies hunted this buck all during archery season, and we came in here to try to get a crack at him on the rifle. And we did see him, I'm pretty sure, at first light, but about 5-10 minutes after first light I confirmed it was him. But where we were, it was really hard to get a shot, really hard for my dad to get a shot. And so we weren't able to get a shot off at him quick enough, and he went clear up top, and these guys were over on this knob, man. I feel like they probably bombed at him about 800 plus yards at least, but he's gonna go talk to him and see if they killed this buck for sure, because we don't want to be chasing a ghost. So he's gonna go up and talk to him and see if they did in fact kill him. They shot 2 different groups of shots. They shot, I think, 2 or 3 times right when the buck, I know that the big buck got on top, and then probably 15 minutes later they shot another 3 shots, and after those 3 shots they were hooping and hollering, and so I'm pretty sure they did connect on something. But there was a buck that, you know, I lost the big buck for a minute because there was another buck, and I only saw him from the side profile, and he had some kickers like this other buck did, and so I thought that was the big buck for a minute, and then we looked at me and I was like, oh no, that's not him. So when he was on top, that's when they shot the second time. So maybe they killed him. We're hoping they killed him and not the big buck, but you know, if they did, I guess good for them. So he's gonna go find out and see what the deal is, and I guess we'll go from there, what our game plan's gonna be. But it was a fun morning. There were quite a few shots. I guess most of them were from these guys though, so yeah, we'll keep you updated. We'll make depending on if these guys killed that big buck or not, we'll make a game plan for tonight. I know Jake was chasing another really big buck, and I know that his got killed. His got killed on private. So he was kind of up behind the private he was known to be on, and waiting for him to see if he'd go up on the public, and I guess he got killed in the private. So I guess our game plan will depend on what my dad finds out. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can find either this buck or another couple dandies. We got a nice buck right here. It's a nice 4-point. We're trying to get Dad to shoot him. There. He's still in a good place, but he's gonna get into the thick stuff. Just take a shot.
He has only like 130.
It's not even as wide as his ears. Squeeze.
Hold on. You guys ready?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep. Man, that rocked me.
Heard a pop. Just let him take a step and drill him. That's a pretty nice buck. It is. I promise. He's about 430. He's about 430. So just click one down. We'll hit over him. And you'll kill him. Right there. Oh, you got him.
Huh?
You dropped him. You dropped him.
I did?
Yep. Yep. You got him. Flare over. Just shot him a buck. Kind of rung my bell. Woohoo! Yep, 100%. Good job.
Oh, did you see him drop?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I just went over here and saw him. What do you think?
Not too shabby.
Looks pretty good. Why you pick him up, put your gun down. Yeah, he's a nice one.
Well, thanks, Jake. You spotted him.
Especially for this area. Oh yeah.
Yeah, he'll work.
Yeah, I'll say. For let's see that general season.
Yeah.
That's a dandy.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
That is a keeper. Yeah, heck yeah. Sweet. Well, you're all tagged out.
Yeah, thanks, Jake. It was a lot of fun.
430-yard shot. One shot put him down.
Now the work begins.
Yep. Now the pack out begins.
Okay, let me get a photo view in there, Jake.
Okay, pick him up and kind of turn him towards me.
Yeah.
Well, just got back to the truck.
Hey, let's go. We'll do that.
Drug him all the way down.
Yeah, Jake. What do you want? Here, let's put this in the back.
What do you think, Dad?
That's good. Great day. Jake spotted him. Here, let's go.
It's a nice buck. Let's here, pick his head up one more time. Yeah. Too shabby. Just making sure everyone's looking. just decent. No, he's a 4-point. Mm-hmm. No, they're just into the field, yeah. Well, just made it back from my late season deer hunt. We made it in around noon yesterday. Got to hunt the evening hunt and saw some pretty good bucks. Saw one, probably a 170 type deer, and he was pretty nice and wide and had good forks. But for this hunt, I think I want something a little better. So this morning we saw a really narrow 170 type buck, so pretty deer. If I can't find anything, then I'd be thrilled to shoot him later on in the hunt. But for now, I'm hoping to find something just a little bit bigger than that. So Braden and my buddy Tanner, I was busy helping them on their hunts, and they killed 2 dandy bucks, so 2 really good stud bucks. So I'm hoping to maybe find something like they found, and we'll see. Here's camp right here. Nice trailer I'll be staying in for probably 14 days. So 16 days including yesterday and the opener. So yep, we'll see what we find. After searching for a couple of days and not turning anything up that I set my sights on, we finally turned up this big, heavy, tall buck, and he had the look I wanted. There was one big problem: he's on private, but only by a couple 100 yards until it was public land. I decided he was too good of a buck not to try and wait out, so we sat back and enjoyed the show, hoping he'd make a mistake. After a day and a half of watching him on private land, the deer headed up a little higher on the hill, and we knew it was now or never, so we made the long trek around private land to get in position.
Hello? Dude, no way. No freaking way, dude. I got it on video, but it's through the trees. Like, Yeah, I did. He was in the frame. Dude, no freaking way. He's way in public, too. Let's freaking go. Yeah. Because that fence is... Dude. I can't believe you just stoned him right there, dude. Come on. Oh my gosh. I had him in the frame when I was recording. You know, you could just see him through the dead trees, and I put it on record, and you shot when I had it on him, so I should have got it. Dude. Let's freaking go. Holy shit. Yeah, dude, he's really big. I got video of him going all the way up into those dead trees, too. Dude, good. I'm so proud of you guys. That's freaking awesome. Okay. Should I just Oh really?
You filming?
What?
Jab. Run.
Way.
Steep hill, huh?
Huh?
Pretty steep hill, huh?
Quite the hill.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh.
He is heavier.
Holy crap. Look at that cheater, dude.
Look at that neck.
Holy.
Holy.
Oh my gosh, he's a beast.
Heavy.
Oh my.
Holy crap.
You're kidding me.
That is a sweet buck.
Sweet freaking deer.
Dude.
Look at that neck.
He's freaking, is he blind in one eye?
That might be from
Something.
a shot.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the injury right there.
Oh, that's pretty low down.
Yeah.
Dude.
Oh my gosh, here's my two buddies.
Gosh.
Dude.
Holy crap.
Dude, he is heavy. Oh my gosh, guys, thanks.
Holy crap, I can't believe that.
I don't think I could have passed that one up.
No way, dude.
Shoot that on almost any tag. You shoot that deer. He is tall.
He's just so heavy. He's heavier than I thought.
Big.
Nice, dude. Good job.
No, he's not the best scoring deer with the forks, but his mass and
Oh my head.
everything is just crazy.
That G2 is big. Oh my god.
His fronts look bigger.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they do
They
look
do.
bigger.
They look
All of his forks look
almost-
bigger than they did.
It's because he's
They-
so heavy. It doesn't look. You
Yeah.
can't tell how long he is. You
Yeah.
don't know.
That is.
Holy crap, dude. What a stuff.
That is a slammer, man.
He freaking bladed on this three. You didn't even know that.
Oh my.
Oh, thanks, guys. That is, we earned it.
Good job, dude. Jeez.
That's why we called this buck Limpy. I'm not sure what happened to him, but it's pretty nasty. Ugh.
Here we go. You gonna make it? Oh.